guys, it is almost 8 a.m. right now. I'm up because my client is at the legal clinic this early morning. You know what, Sam? I'm so tired. Also, we're submitting at 9, so I have to go see my client and then go submit. I'm so tired. I want to sleep, but it's catch asleep. But anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tsala, and I hope you guys are good and having a better day in life than me. But yeah, guys, how do you do your edges? Like, I don't know how long I've been sitting here trying to scoop these things out. I even poured water because I'm like, what the hell, son? Yo, hi, son. Yo, Hey, guys, how do you do these things? This is so funny. You know what, son? It's fine. It's fine, guys. I'll just comb my hair back. Yo, this is all I'm doing now. I don't even know the reason why this gel now corner I hold it on like your relationship is moving on, Chomi. Hypo, hold it on, man. I don't even know if I look okay, guys. No. And I was thinking of wearing a hat because now my hair today is just not okay. Like, also my top is light, that's why I look dark. And my skin is also light. Anyway, guys. Yeah, I'm really not a girly girl, son. This is what I'm settling for. I tried to do my. I've been sitting here for so long, and my client is waiting for me, I'm sure. And so I'm just gonna let it go now. That was the last time I tried. Maybe I'll try again next time, cause hi, Sam. Guys, I'm at the legal clinic. Let me show you guys my outfit actually. Just a tank top and these jeans that I don't like, but it looks okay. I honestly don't know if people can see me from the outside, but anyway, guys, I'm gonna go to class now. This is my first time vlogging in the legal clinic. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I feel like a law student now. But I'd never want to come back. Yeah, I hate this place.
In 16 kg. Just by climbing the stairs. Oh, hey, what's up?
Watch my anxiety get hectic and real. Yeah. He took a pillar school look at day. Where did you so Tsala, so are we really going to make it to 2 a.m.? Guys, what's the time? 9:27. Yeah, we're not gonna make it to 2 a.m., son. Will be forgot, still you, our Father, the valley. Oh, you never change, never change, never bitches. And girl, don't you have a place to stay? Are you homeless and stuff? Are you homeless, girl? Girl, are you homeless?
Yes, I am. Let's sleep. Please come, let's cuddle.
Cuddle with who? Are you mad?
Come. It's time to cuddle.
Why are you getting naked from my channel, girl? That's all that is. Before God. The hour is falling. Hey, stop your TikTok nonsense. Boomer, what? Color may I have the videos? I just didn't send them to you. Why do I look so dark on camera, girl? Do you guys see better? But I know. I'll look back at this moment, see your hand on it, and know you were here. I just broke my picture frame. Like, one thing about my things, they're going to break. I don't know why it just fell and then it broke. Anyway.
I'm comfortable in what I want to do. I think that this is the topic I want to research on. All I want you to do is to give me guidance as to how to put that thought in a paper in order. And so that is what you do for research masters. Again, that it's not necessarily that just because it's a master's degree based on research from day one, all you're going to do is writing towards your thesis. They will offer you training on research.
I love you like ecstasy. We are done on your she, baby.